How to change WhatsApp green color to blue on iPhone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change WhatsApp's signature green color to blue on your iPhone. Yes, you can customize WhatsApp's lock with the newest update, and I'm going to walk you through how to do it step by step. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of WhatsApp installed on your iPhone. If you don't have it, simply head over to App Store and search for WhatsApp and simply click on update. Now to change the color, we're going to open WhatsApp and going to settings. From there, simply scroll down and tap on chats. This is where you can adjust all your WhatsApp visual setting. Now from there, you can simply find an option called chat wallpaper. And here you can simply click on choose a new wallpaper. Here you can find various options like blue, green and black. You can simply choose it from whichever you prefer. You can also choose from your photos as well. Now if you want to change your WhatsApp's green color, you can simply do that by pressing and holding on your screen and simply clicking on edit. From there, simply click on customize, and here you can simply go to and click tinted. From there, simply click or choose the blue color. Once you've done that, you'll see your WhatsApp in blue color, but also you will see all the other settings on blue as well. And that's it. That's how you can simply change everything to blue in WhatsApp, even in your iPhone.